In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the door open error on your Deskjet printer. Whether you own a Deskjet 2700, 3500, or an earlier model, we've got several solutions that can help. First, let's understand the problem. The door open error appears when your printer thinks one of its doors isn't closed securely. I'll start with the simplest solutions, and then work our way towards the more intricate steps to get your printer back in action. Start by ensuring that the printer door is completely closed. Sometimes, even a small gap can trigger a door open error in your printer, so double check it. Inspect the door sensor for any obstructions or debris, as this might prevent it from detecting a closed door properly. Power cycle your printer by turning it off for about a minute and then turning it back on, which can reset the error message if it was erroneously triggered. Remove and then reopen the printer door, ensuring the hinges are aligned properly, as misalignment can sometimes flag an open door error. Examine the door latch mechanism to see if it's broken or misaligned, which can prevent the door from closing properly. Make sure there are no paper jams or foreign objects inside the printer, as these can prevent the door from closing fully. If all else fails, update the printer's firmware through the HP website, as updated software can solve various unexpected issues like this error message. If after trying all these solutions your Deskjet still indicates a door open error, it may be a sensor issue or a more significant hardware problem. At this point, consider checking the description below for replacement parts, or even exploring options for a new printer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join us in the next video for more tech tips.